What if sneezes were always like this? The worst time to sneeze is when you're holding your phone. ACHOO! Phone goes forward, I go backward. Perfect. On the bus, everyone stays weirdly quiet because one sneeze and you slam into people. New rule: if you sneeze, you get off at the next stop. At work, it's actually useful. Don't like the question? ACHOO! And you're suddenly farther away. It's not me, it's reactive allergies. A week later, everyone's a pro. Brace, sneeze, stay in place. Would you suppress sneezes or learn to aim them?